Mastering Space, the Art of Shed Organization. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to delve into a very practical and useful topic, shed organization. Whether it's your garden shed, a storage space, or any small utility area, organizing it can truly transform your space and your efficiency. So, let's roll up our sleeves and get into the nitty-gritty of making the most out of your shed. The term shed organization refers to the methodical arrangement and optimization of space within a shed or storage unit. It's not just about cleaning up. It's about strategically placing your tools, equipment, and other items so that they are easily accessible, well-maintained, and neatly stored. A well-organized shed can save you time, help you utilize space effectively, and even reduce stress. Imagine you need a specific tool. You know it's in the shed, but where? You spend frustrating minutes, maybe hours, searching. This scenario is precisely why shed organization matters. It's essential for efficiency. Knowing exactly where each item is saves time and effort. Space maximization. Proper organization ensures every inch of your shed is used wisely. Safety. A cluttered shed can be a hazard. Organized spaces reduce the risk of accidents. Preserving tools, items. Proper storage can prolong the life of your tools by preventing damage and rust. 1. Empty your shed. Start with a clean slate. Remove everything so you can see the space you have to work with. 2. Categorize your items. Group similar items together. Gardening tools, sports equipment, holiday decorations, etc. 3. Discard or donate. Be ruthless. If you haven't used something in a year, consider discarding it or donating it. 4. Choose storage solutions. Invest in shelves, hooks, boxes, and labels. Each item should have a home. 5. Arrange intelligently. Place frequently used items at eye level or within easy reach. Seasonal items can be stored higher up or in less accessible areas. 6. Maintain the system. Once everything has a place, make a habit of returning items to their designated spots after use. Use vertical space. Install shelves or pegboards to keep tools off the ground and in plain sight. Label everything. Clear labels help you find what you need quickly and remind you where to put things back. Regular check-ins. Schedule a time once a month to go through your shed, reorganize if necessary, and clean any tools or surfaces. Adapt and evolve. Your needs might change. Be open to reorganizing your space as required. We hope this guide helps you transform your shed into a model of efficiency and organization. Remember, a well-organized shed is more than just a clean space. It's a testament to mindfulness and the efficient use of resources. Happy organizing. And here's to finding what you need, when you need it, in your perfectly organized shed.